Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle News. This time we talk about Netflix screwball Amit Suga Jungkook from Nichi mentioned fan outrage at BTS Jin returned to variety show. BTS oldest member Jin is officially back in the spotlight following his latest rise, and fans were thrilled to see him return with a guest spot on Netflix variety show Screwball. The K-pop star is set to appear in episode 30 through 50, with episode 30 titled along with the gods, and already released. The episode deliver everything fans love about Jin and his sense of humor, playing charm, and energetic presence. He joined the show cast in series of Godfrey Game and Cheerful Conservation. At one point, Jin even joked about bringing his fellow BTS member on the show after their own military service, and saying he would invite them because the show offered expensive gifts. But while fans were excited to see him back in action, the fun did not last long. A small detail in show caption caught their attention, and it's caught the street online. Suga and Jungkook missing from military mention during Jin joke about the other BTS member currently in the military. The show caption listed RM, Jimin and V and those who are still serving. However, fans were quick to notice that two members, Suga and Jungkook, were left out of the list, and entirely this did not sit well with the army, especially since both are actively completing their military duty. Jungkook is currently serving as an active duty soldier, while Suga is fulfilling his service as a public service worker due to a shoulder surgery from a year ago. Fan flooded social media to point out the error and share this disappointment. Fan call out the omission on social media. Why did the show not include Suga name? Are they mad? One frustrated fan for X on user. Oh, and they did it again. It's so annoying when these show to be low-key shady and like God. The next to finish their military service are with Jimin, RK, Jungkook, and Suga, and the user wrote and they include all member. One fan pleaded next to finish their military duty are RM, Jimin and V. Why did they mention JK and Yoongi? Another added what was likely a simple caption oversight has become a flashpoint for fans who are already worried about Suga current standing in the entertainment world. Concerned about Suga absence in the industry, Suga, whose real name is Min Yoongi, has stayed out of the public eye for months following a DUI related investigation last year where he was eventually cleared of all charges. There's been growing concern among fans that the rapper is facing an unofficial boycott in this industry. He has not made any major public appearance or social media post in quite some time, which is the uncharacteristic for the usually active star. Now, Netflix failure to include him even in something as minor as a caption has only deepened those fear. BTS member military discharge date, and despite drama, BTS fans are looking forward to the group full reunion last this year. All 7 members currently committing their military survive with the start date scheduled close together in 2025, and with Jin already done and J-Hope expected back soon, and the countdown to BTS long-awaited reunion has officially begun. What's next for Jin and BTS? Jin appearance on Screwball follows his earlier variety show Stinton Can Bizarre B&B. His light, hearted and humorous vibe continues to shine, giving fans a much-needed dose of joy while they wait for all the members to return. And why this week controversy has put a damper on things for some fans, may are hopeful that future episode will be more mindful and inclusive. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel this time. Goodbye.